In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get paid with WooCommerce. If you're running a WordPress site and want to accept payments, WooCommerce is the plugin that turns your site into a store. We'll start right inside your WordPress dashboard. Make sure you're logged in with an account that can install plugins, then head to your website's admin area. From the dashboard, go to Plugins and open the Add New section. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. You'll see the official WooCommerce plugin appear in the results. Click Install Now, and when the button changes, click Activate. Activation may open a brief setup screen, but don't worry. Our focus today is the payments area where you'll control how customers pay you. After activation, look to the left-hand menu. You'll now see a new WooCommerce section. This confirms the plugin is installed and ready. Click WooCommerce, then open the payments page. This is the control center for your payment methods. On the payments screen, you'll see a list of available options. These can include major credit and debit card processors, digital wallets, and offline methods like bank transfer or cash on delivery. To accept payments, choose the methods that match how you want customers to pay. Toggle a method on, then click. Set up or manage to complete its details. Each provider will guide you through what it needs, which may include connecting an existing account or creating one within the plugin. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and be sure to save your changes when you finish. A few helpful tips as you configure this page. Only enable the methods you plan to support so checkout stays simple for customers. If a provider offers test mode, keep it off for real orders and make sure any required fields are completed to avoid failed checkouts. It's a good idea to review the currency, location, and business information the provider requests so payouts arrive correctly. When in doubt, use the help links provided within each method's setup panel. They'll take you to up-to-date guidance from the provider. Once your preferred methods are toggled on and configured, your store can start collecting payments at checkout. You've installed WooCommerce, found the payments area in the sidebar, and set up the payment options that fit your business. That's the core of getting paid with WooCommerce. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to double-check your settings before you announce your store. Clear, accurate payment setup helps customers check out smoothly from day one.